My name is Eveen Ali Hasan from Bashiqa. I was born and raised there until 2014. In that year, my family and I were displaced from my hometown. After that, we moved from one city to another until finally we settled down in Erbil. In 2017, I graduated high school with 100% out of 100% average, being one of the 10 top students all over Iraq. I chose AUIS because I knew it will change me personally and it will change my life, like education-wise. So I decided to go to the American University of Iraq. Like being an AUIS student will give you like a lot of opportunities. So I received the offer from Ernst & Young, Erbil, even before I was the valedictorian. And being the valedictorian even helped me more. I received more offers, but I preferred to stay with the EY because it's an international company and it will give you a lot of experience and knowledge to be there. So after I was the valedictorian, I received the Blake and Bailey Family Endowed Scholarship. And I will use the grant that I received from this scholarship to continue my education. So I think everyone should focus on their education and try their best, especially when they're young, they have the time and the energy to do that. Like you will have time to do so many other things after like your 20s. So I recommend to study and invest in your education as much as you can, because this will pay off later on.